Welcome to another gunfire video. In this one, we're going on a road trip to the north of Holland, quite some distance, to visit a small museum. But they have a very special vehicle there that we want to check out. So let's go. Short intermediate stop to pick up Eve, and then it's off to the Netherlands. And that's where we're going, a town called Winkel, all the way to the north of the Netherlands. Should take us around 2 hours to get there.
Jij wordt ook goed, Ted.
Ready for a road trip?
Yep, as always.
Crazy road trip to the north of the Netherlands.
To some other crazy bosses who are gonna restore Churchill.
Yeah, seems that there's more crazy people in the world than just us.
We need to warn them.
Yep. Let's go.
Yep.
And here we are at the Collection 3945 Museum in the Netherlands. Let's look inside. Interior shot of the Humber, beautifully restored. Observe the small dashboard, which looks factory new. A universal carrier, and in the back we can see one of the reasons for our visit, Churchill Mark II. Note the older style of track links. Closer look at the inside of the Mark VII turret. And here we see the other and main reason for our visit, the museum's Churchill Mk VII Crocodile. Look at the massive flamethrower supply line, and in the back the gun mantlet. Different Churchill bits and bobs. There we see the fuel switch which we are missing. Let's steal it, quickly.
Nobody's here.
A closer look at the beautifully restored crew compartment. The massive lines which feed the flamethrower. Note the fuel tanks with new couplers. turret ring showing the year it was built, 1944. The gearbox looks factory new. We'll end up with a couple of interesting shots. Here we see the 3 scopes on the Mark VII. We only have 2 on our Mark IV. Lovely shot of the interior with the round doors and a close look at the point where the flamethrower line enters the hull. The gorgeous looking dashboard, and observe the hinge on the left side, which ours doesn't have. Beautifully redone seat upholstery, and they obviously don't miss the chair backrest. With only 2 of the 4 radiators installed, we can have a nice view at some of the fuel tanks. One of the 2 engines which the museum has. A look at the second transmission. And here we see the turret of the Mark VII. Compare this shot with the one on the Mark II. An interesting piece of German gear in the collection, showing off the Mark IV's armor vulnerability at different distances. As you by now have seen, this collection is a must-visit for anyone interested in Churchills. There's also a lot of World War II memorabilia in the display cases section upstairs. You can find more information on the museum's Facebook page, which we'll link into the description. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.